Well, we made it. We're here. Rose Point Campground. And if you're looking for a fun spot when you're here, I suggest you check out Mr. C's Fun Spot. It's pretty fun. So we're gonna check in and get ourselves situated and experience air conditioning here for the first time in 6 years. Noob and I decided to, you know, live it up a little bit and, you know, live in the lap of luxury. Look at that! Hello!
Oh, this thing looks great, man.
Thanks, I really like my Cherokee.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
Isn't this how everybody stores their trucks? Well, we comped. We didn't break anything, so that's always a plus. I think we had a pretty good time. There's lots of people here. And now we're gonna have some fun. So the thing that I come for is the concourse. This year they've changed it around a little bit, and you only vote for one truck in each class, which makes it infinitely harder to choose a winner because there are a lot of really great trucks here. In former years, there was always like a category, so like best paint, best weathering, best hard body, whatever. Now it's just pick one truck that is your favorite in each class. This is gonna be hard.
That's what she said.
That's what she
That's what she said.
ruined my joke. You watched my video. So comp's over, we're almost home. It was a good comp. Lots of great people, saw a lot of people I know. Nice to have a good hangout and a chill and fun environment. Not sure where I finished in any of the courses. We don't have all the final results in yet, but it wasn't top 3. But that's okay. The goal is always to have fun, and I think we definitely did that. I think it was pretty fun. Rose Point Campground always puts on a really good show, and it was nice to have them host this event again. It's a great area in Pennsylvania, and yeah, I guess we'll see how I finished. Class 1 I think was my most successful set of runs. It's the only one that I beat Richard at. He's an excellent driver and always does pretty well. But I think Class 1 was definitely my favorite set of courses as well. Class 2 was really nicely set up, and Class 0 was surprisingly great. I ran the half track this year. I thought it would be kind of fun to give that a shot and see if it could perform, and it did okay. There were a few reverses required and one replacement, just because the darn thing, with that unlocked diff in the rear driving the tracks, sometimes it just loses traction and just spins the diff madly. So not the most successful campaign either, but it was fun to see it, and a lot of people were like, are you really gonna run that in Class 0? I was like, yeah, I'm running that for sure. So yeah, all in all, good times, lots of hot dogs, lots of hamburgers, lots of good friends again, and some very fine Australian root beer. So yeah, signing off from East Coast Scale Challenge.